It's a lot deeper than it was the other day.
Yes, it is.
Let's go down here in front of this other lot. That's totally flooded.
This really gives a whole new meaning to the idea of cruising around the parking lot.
Yeah.
There's a bird fight going on back there.
I'm thinking you need one of those Terrawind amphibious RVs for this site. You can see the parking spaces lined underneath us. See all the logs from the log pile floated out.
Watch your head on the branch.
Mm-hmm. There's Bridget and Alyssa over there. Look how far the water is going up the street. You can see how much the water's risen above the tape line. And the sign is almost gone. You could just see that, like the top inch of it.
How things are churned up because the water's so much murkier than it normally is. I mean, admittedly, it's very deep, so that's a factor.
I don't think they're paragliding on Woodside today with that cloud cover. Out here, you can't tell how high the water is.
No.
It's just deep.
It's water.
You can tell we're out in the Harrison because the water here is much bluer. And you can also see part of the reason there's so much water is the snow coming out of the mountains. Well, there's an osprey nest right there. And there's the osprey. I'll listen to it. Well, the park is dead ahead by those humpy bumpy mountains there. You can see the mountains are still holding a little bit of snow right above us here.